In this video, we're going to take a t-shirt, use the sleeves to make a mask, and cut the bottom of the shirt into a fringe so that you can have a kind of fun muscle tee and mask that match. Now, this is not the mask we're going to make, but I just wanted to show because I was trying to figure out how to solve the problem of if you are out and about and you don't have your mask, what do you do? So in this case, you cut the sleeves off of your shirt and you cut some holes into the parts into the sleeve. You just have to measure it on your face, and then your ears can go in the holes. And this is double layered. It's better than single, but not as good as three. And then this part can go over your nose. So that's the idea with this particular one. And I'm demonstrating this, and then I'm going to show you how I make one. But after that, I will take this fabric and turn it into either a filter pocket mask or a cup-shaped mask. So then you can wear a mask that matches your t-shirt. I know it seems kind of silly. I don't know. Maybe you think it's a little silly, but when you think of mask, and t-shirt, you can substitute t-shirt with some other shirt. And I know you're cutting the sleeves off, right? So so you are kind of taking it apart. The other thing you could do, I guess, is you could cut the bottom off of your favorite shirt and make it a crop shirt, and then you have fabric and the same material to make a face mask with. I'm going to do that with my Squiggle Mom t-shirts because they're getting a little old, but right now I'm going to show it to you with these shirts. Step 1. Find t-shirt. If you don't usually carry a pair of scissors in your car, most people have a pocket knife of some sort, and often the pocket knives have scissors. So I'm going to pretend this is a pocket knife, and I'm just going to cut the sleeves off. Right? So that gives me some fabric to work with. And the fabric nicely matches the shirt. Okay. Then I cut this part off. There's a little lump in there, so I don't want to deal with it. So again, this is the situation, the scenario. I am out and I forgot my mask and I don't have a mask to wear. So I am improvising with a t-shirt that maybe is older and I don't care about it. But if you're at home and you want to do something with a new shirt, you can. So next I have to make it so that the holes are far enough apart that they are going to reach my ears, but not too far that this is going to hang loose. So that's kind of a little trick. So right now I'm just measuring it against my face. And I'm identifying that these 2 points are where my ears should begin. So I'm just going to snip a hole. Okay. So I've got my starter hole. And then I'm going to go back from that. If you make the hole too big, it will not be good for your ears. It'll fall off. but the stretchiness of the t-shirt fabric is kind of a nice thing to be able to build off of, and that's what we're going for. You might find it surprising, but this already fits over my ears, but not very well. It's a little tight, so I'm going to make it a little bigger. Perfect. Perfect. So I have a mask. So if I'm stuck at the store and I can make a mask really quickly. I know, you might say, oh, the store might have extra masks for me to wear. I don't know, maybe. But anyway, I thought it was kind of a fun idea, so. And then, of course, I can make a regular mask out of it, out of the same fabric. Okay. So since we're in a cutting mood, we're just going to fringe the ends, and I think you know how to do this. You might. And it might seem wasteful to be just cutting up a t-shirt like this, but we get a lot of t-shirts here in the US. I don't know if you know that. They give out t-shirts for everything. Well, not so much now that nothing's happening. No events, no activities, no giveaways. Okay. So then, now I could even, if I wanted to make a crop top, but if you've seen me lately, you know that I'm not making a crop top for myself. But if I was 20, I could make a crop top, cut it this much, and then I have all of this fabric to work with. In fact, maybe I'll do it just as a demonstration, and I'll put it on the dummy. The dummy, I don't know what that is. Because you could make a pretty nice mask out of this fabric. In fact, that's what they were doing, you know, during crazy pandemic times. Making masks out of anything cotton, and t-shirts are often 100% cotton. In fact, I'll look at this to see what this one is. So this one is a blend. So this is made in Honduras. Oh my gosh, I can't read. So this is not the most ideal fabric if it's a blend, but that's okay. And then to make your cuts for your fringe, you just do like this, right? And you just cut away, cut away, cut away, cut away. Like this. And this one has kind of big armholes, so you probably, when you choose your t-shirt, either you wear a little tank under it, or you choose one with smaller armholes. There we go. There we go. There we go. So now a shorter crop top with a mask. And more stuff that I can make a better mask. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the show.